Michael in Oxford, Ohio. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better look and Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Michael's American Optical frame. American Optical, an original since 1833. He's getting the Saratoga, the classic. I was hoping to have a poster from American Optical up there. They're sending me one of JFK wearing this frame. More than likely he had these green G-15 lenses, and Michael got the Zeiss prescription polarized G-15 lenses, and I'd say that matches pretty well. Now, this is a vintage look, great acetate, by the way, made in America. All you proudly made in the U.S. people, this is a frame for you. Again, probably the oldest American frame manufacturer out there. This is the Saratoga and tortoise. Now, it comes in several colors, and a couple colors. I'll have a couple sizes in several colors. Let me rephrase that. I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. This is the tortoise in the 52. And it comes with, oh, Michael, when you get this, you got to smell the case. I know it sounds creepy and weird that I do this, but they have the best smelling leather cases. Coach started off doing saddles and other things, bags, saddle bags for literally coaches before they got into handbags and other things. And this is what a saddle smells like. I know it's creepy, but and weird and OCD, but when you get this, hopefully you'll be sniffing this case as much as I like to. The coolest thing about it, the cleaning cloth they give you for the Saratoga, I hope you don't mind me opening up to show everybody. It comes with the blueprint schematics of the frame, and it tells you everything down in the bottom. The AO original front shape, the tip shape, the graduated hinge transition, the AO original stainless steel decor, the printed AO mark. Where's one? Yeah, right up there. Well, that's in the lens. But I think that's really cool that they do that. But when they're made in the US, they give you all their blueprints. Now, this is, and the other nice thing, it's the little things in life. This is the only company that does this, and on this frame, they have this little foam piece to protect it during shipping that goes in here. It slips on one temple and just protects it like that during shipping. I'm going to put it on there when I ship to you. I just think that's really nice. You know, it's the little things that, the little extra at the beginning is what makes it extraordinary. And they just do that all the way. Great acetate frame, great metal hinges. These things are built like a tank. Now, this is what it looks like while it's on you. And just great classic and timeless styling. And again, I'm going to have a, whoop, there goes my paper towels. I knocked over there. I'm going to have the Saratoga poster behind the machine when I'm cutting in the future. But for now, you're just going to have to look at Michael's. So again, I can do this in any lens. I can do it with clear lenses. I can do it with the Photo Fusion gray, brown, green, or blue. The Photo Fusion extra gray. I can do it with, you know, polarized and polarized with mirror colors. But he's just going with the basic lens the way it looks like it's in the frame. So if you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. Or if you'd rather text, you can text that number, but you can also use WhatsApp if you prefer to message that way. Just put a +1 in front of there. Everyone else can leave a question or a comment in the comment section below. But if you haven't done it already, subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available, or if I think the frames are worth showing. Click the like button if you've liked what you've seen. That'll help us show up on the Google reviews. And Michael in Oxford, Ohio, home to Miami University, where my big Ben Roethlisberger went to college for 3 years before a 20-year career with my Steelers. The current quarterback out of Pittsburgh, we're getting there. He just didn't go to the Super Bowl in his rookie year, but hey, it happens. It happens. But Michael, if you know any Ohio State fans, I'm currently in the process of licensing my own frames, branded frames with the OSU logo on there. I'm going to start with Ohio State, with a Buckeye on the side of the frame. If you're a Miami of Ohio fan, I apologize, but I'm sure you know some Ohio State fans. I'm just starting with schools with the largest fan base like Penn State, Michigan, Ohio State, things like that. So, but that's it. Again, Michael, thank you for the purchase of the American Optical, American made since 1833, with your Zeiss Polarized G-15 lenses. Click on the link above to go to the website, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.